Hello, today I have this 9-volt battery and it is reachable. So it's really cool because I have this multimeter and I am used to use it I don't know, a few times per year. So definitely I had to every time buy a new battery, and it is not so easy in my country. It is not really common type of battery. So I'm so glad I have one reachable, and let's try it. I have did it. I have reached I already charged it. It lights red, and when is it done, it lights green. And when is it done, it lights green, and we can try it in my multimeter. So plus is down. Cool. And we can switch it on. Yeah. So I will keep it for many years, and cheers.